Action.
Hi, I'm Dr. Arash Hakhamian, the modern dentist, and today I wanted to give you some explanations on how you can replace your missing teeth using the three methods we have available to us today as tooth replacement options. The first and most commonly known option is the oldest procedure called a partial denture. This is a removable appliance that you can actually take in and out of your teeth, out of your mouth. So whether it's replacing 1, 2, 3, or 4 teeth, or all of your teeth, a removable appliance can be utilized. I'm not a big fan of removable appliances because they wear down the bone in the jaw. They make your face kind of shrink over time and make you look dramatically older, and puts a lot of unnecessary pressure on the gums and the bone of the mouth. The next best option is a dental bridge. And a dental bridge is utilized when you have a missing tooth in between two other teeth. And basically, a dentist can prepare and shave down the adjacent teeth and basically put connected crowns together that will go down onto the adjacent teeth and replace the missing tooth. There's nothing actually placed in the bone, so you can continue to get bone loss in that area, but this doesn't have to come in and out and stays in your mouth, and you can pretty much chew and eat comfortably with this, and this is something that millions and millions of people have and utilize today. This can be done in as little as 2 weeks, but will require the adjacent teeth to be shaved and prepared. The last option, and oftentimes the best option, in order to avoid having to shave the adjacent teeth, are dental implants. Instead of touching these two adjacent teeth here, basically a dental implant will be a tooth replacement option that will just replace the teeth that are missing. So a screw will go inside the jaw, and on top of that screw, you will basically get a crown placed. Now, this is the best option because you don't have to shave natural and healthy teeth that don't have anything wrong with them. And also, by having an implant inside the jawbone, it mimics the natural way God created your teeth, which is basically to have a root inside the jaw and a crown on top of the root. If you look up
All right,
here...
cut.